Start with the great name of Allah, who is the most kind and merciful. Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. It's your host Nusrat Ali Mangananjo, student of Business Administration batch 2K20 from Sindhu University campus Larkana, and this video is recorded for the basis of final term in critical situation about COVID-19, and this video is supervised by Sir Farhan Ali Surayo. Today I tell you about registers. The register used by the CPU are often termed or process registers. Registers are two types of computer memory used to quickly accept, store, and transfer data and instruction that are being used intermediate by the CPU. What is register? A register is one of the small set of data holding place that are part of computer process. A register may hold a computer instruction, a storage address, or any kind of data, such as bits, sequence, or individual characters. About register, there are more than 64 registers in number. Small in size, typically a register is less than 64 bits in size. Type of registers. Memory address registers holds the memory address of data instruction. Used to occurs data and instruction from memory during the execution space on instruction. It contains the copy of designed memory location specified by the memory address registers. Memory data registers. It contains the data to be stored in the computer storage. It acts like a buffer and hold anything that is copied from the memory reader for the process to use it. MDR hold the information before it goes to the decoder. Now, process register. A process register is one of the small set of data holding place that are part of a computer process. A register may hold an instruction, a storage address, or any kind of data such as bits, sequence of individual characters. Some instruction specify registers as a part of the instructions. A register is basically a storage space for a unity of memory. Data used to transfer data for immediate use by the CPU for data processing. Also known as memory registers, that are actually from part of a computer process as a process registers. The word size of computer generally indicate the largest integers it can process in a single instructions that are the size of memory address, which is usually but not necessarily the same as the integer size. The main indication of the word size is how much memory to process can address. Word size refers of the number of bits processed by computer CPUs in one ongoing. These days, typically 32 bits or 64 bytes. Date buses size, instruction size, address size are usually multiply of the word size. The computer needs process registers of manipulating data and registers. A process register may hold an instruction and storage address or any data such as bits, squarings, or individual characters. Now I tell you about introduction of computer bus. Introduction. In the computer bus is a subsystem that transfer data between different components of the computer. Earlier, computer or electrical wire to connect between components. Today, computer usually parallel and bits serially connected. What is computer bus? In the computer bus, the system of physical connection is between cable and printed circuits. It is shaped by different hardware components and other to communicate such other. It reduces the pathway between different components. Sometimes it is called the data highway. Now, characters of buses. Bus can be characterized by amount of information can transfer in a certain period of time. It expressed in a byte and 32 wires ribbons cable can transmit. 32 bytes in parallel. Term used by width to define transfer rate. It also defined by frequency, that is number of packets sent or received per second. Now transfer speed of bus. It is very easy to find the maximum speed of the transfer rate of bus. Transfer rate of bus can define the amount of data can transfer in a unit of time and multiplying it by the width its frequency. If a bus with 60 bytes of frequency 133 MHz, the transfer rate would be 133.106 bytes per second. Now type of buses. Each bus is generally consisted of 50 to 100 distinct physical lines divided into three types. There are address buses, data bus and control bus. There are other buses also. There are universal serial bus, peripheral buses, etc. Now address bus. It is something called memory bus. It transfers the memory address to the process in which CPU connect occurs. This is an unidirectional bus. When the process wants to read or write a memory location, that location is specified in the memory location. Now data bus. This bus transfer instruction to the process. It is a byte reductions. Buses mean data or electronic signal can transfer in both sides. It is a computer subsystem. It can transfer data between different components. It is 32 byte, meaning in per second up to 32 bytes data can transfer. Now primary buses. Computer system generally consists of CPU, main memory and variety of peripheral component. All buses connecting between these components, there are buses are called system bus. There are internal buses and external buses. Now control bus. It is called command bus. It transfer command and synchronization signal, those coming from control unit and going toward hardware component. This is the bi-directional buses. It transmit response signal also. Internal buses. Internal buses connect. Now internal buses. Internal buses connect all the internal components of the computer such as CPU, memory and motherboard. It is also referred to as local buses because they are very much involved in this local device. This is very fast and independent from rest of the system. Its main purpose always the process to communicate with RAM. Now I tell you about power supply. Power supply. A power supply is electrical device that supplies electric power to the electrical load. The primary function of the power supply is to convert electric current from the source of the current voltage, current and frequency to power the load. As a result, power supply are something referred to the electrical power converters. The power supply unit converts main AC to low voltage regulated DC power for the internal component of the computer. Modern personal computer universally are switched mode power supply. Some power supply have a manually switch for selection input voltage while other automatically adapt to the main voltage. Now function. The desktop computer power supply change internal current from the wall socket of main electricity to low voltage direct current to operation the process and peripheral device. A power supply rail or voltage rail referred to a single voltage provided by a power supply unit. Computer power supply may have a short circuit protection, our load protection, our voltage protection, under voltage protection, our current protection, and our temporary protection. Most modern computer, personal computer power supply conform to the ATEX simplification which include form factors and voltage tolerance. While this ATEX power supply is connected to the main supply, it always provides a 5 voltage standby a 5 VSB voltage so that the standby function on the computer and certain peripherals are powered. Now thank for watching.